Hello and welcome to another Clojure Diary video. Another day I was just looking about decorators in Python, and I just asked the LLM to give some decorator examples, and it gives nice, rich six examples. And yeah, so I just studied it, and I'm just going to say what I understood from it. So that's the thing. So yeah, what is a decorator, right? So you just have a function and you just pass it to a decorator. And in Clojure, you just get something called decorated function. So maybe like something will be added to the function and you'll just get that function out. So it's the function functionality plus something. So in our case, in this simple decorator, what we are just doing is this decorated function is nothing but, okay, we are printing something like this function is there and we are just printing something over here. And then you have this function execution over here. And then we'll be printing something after this function, right? So that's what is happening in our decorator over here. So it is called as, excuse me, timer decorator. So all it just does is, okay, like, yeah, let me just execute and show it to you. Like, okay, like, so I'm just loading timer decorator in my REPL, and this is slow add, and purposefully we are just, what to say, putting 1,000 millisecond delay over here or 1 second delay over here, right? Okay, so and now we just okay, we just pass the slew add to timer decorator, and that is now called as time add. Okay, so yeah, so now we just take this time add and pass 5 and 3. Okay, so yeah, starting execution time is 1,001 milliseconds, and this is 8. So actually what happens, okay, so you get a function, right? So that's the thing, and function can receive any number of arguments. So what you just do is, like, you just return a function. All we are just doing is return a function, and which this function can take arguments. Okay, so this arguments, what we are just doing is we are just passing it to this function. That's it. Like, apart from that, we are just doing nothing. So this function will take arguments and we are just passing it to this function. That's it. As simple as that. Okay, so and before this function execution, yeah, like, we can do whatever we want, right? Okay, so so over here we are just printing, okay, like, starting execution, and after the execution we're just printing, okay, the execution time is so much milliseconds. Okay, so and over here we have the start time and end time, and in fact we just execute the function in this let block. Okay, so that's the thing, right? And finally we just, this function will, okay, so we just start the start time over here, we just note the start time over here, and then we just get the result from the function over here, and this is the end time over here. We just print it and we give out the results, as simple as that. So this is a very, very simple decorator function in Python. And yes, soon, yeah, I'll just be putting more about decorators. Yeah, so this is how it is. And anyway, thanks for watching this video, and please see you in the next video. Bye.